From here, I'm twisting it in. I'm up, here, twisting a little bit. It's smooth. Oh, get that bicep, man. Stop. Zach, do you see this bicep?
Man, you're gonna make me feel small because I was gonna use 15 pounds.
Look at that. I ain't bringing with it. Just
You're gonna make me feel small because I was about to use 15.
yeah, exactly. I told you.
Well, I don't wanna. But
Look at look.
I know.
You know, like when a dad has like the big hammer, and he goes to Fisher Price and gets like the little hammer for the kid.
No, we're using 25. We're using 25.
No, man, you ain't
I'll be good. I'll be straight.
No, there ain't no ego lifting, man.
To be honest, I should be using like 35, but
there's no need to ego lift because I'm talking shit, man. It's okay.
no ego lift. It's just lightweight. That's all it is.
You ain't supposed to feed into me, man. You ain't gotta feed into me.
It's an easy 15.
Let's see how you get these 15. But look good. All the way down. And when you come up, squeeze. Yeah. Big difference. Turn, squeeze a little bit. Back down straight. Squeeze a little right there. Perfect. And that little ball right there. Good. Look good. We're gonna finish strong. You got it, big dog. Come on. Up. I'm right here with you. Good. Look good. Come on. You got it. Up. You good? Nope, nope. We ain't stopping. Squeeze. Good. Go.
Yep.
The last superset right here. I leave this one for the last because this is primarily a mass builder, but this is probably a mass builder. It shapes a lot, but it's a mass builder. It's not used a lot. Close grip bench. Trying to keep the focus off our chest. We're gonna come real close. We're gonna push straight up, all the way down, all the way up, squeeze up top. And we're gonna superset one of my favorites, overhead rope extensions. Awesome, back and forth, back and forth. This gets the meat of the tricep. This gets right here, this back, right here, that thickness right here. Not the horseshoe, but it gets the thickness, and you come over and it gets that big U right here. So it fills out your tricep. We'll go back and forth. We got 15.
You want me to do mine while you do?
You can wrap it out. We're gonna do 15 overhead extensions, and we got 10 to 12. See how your body feels, but you wanna focus on the squeeze. Smooth down, smooth up, smooth, smooth. Again, you don't want to go too heavy on these, especially because you want to get too much shoulder action into it. You want to get to a point where you're coming here, down and up, not jumping and trying to get it up. You're squeezing. We're trying to get those triceps right. So we up, pulling over, and straight up with it. All the way up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice squeeze. Easy.